This real estate advantage property video is presented by Julia McMahon. This picturesque 5.3-acre property offers a rare opportunity to own a piece of scenic land, complete with 2 spacious sheds, perfect for storage or workshop use. The land is equipped with essential utilities, including well water, electric, and a septic system that was installed in 2021, making it ready for your next project. Whether you're dreaming of building a custom home, a pole barn, or simply want a tranquil space to enjoy nature, this property offers endless possibilities. The expansive lot provides ample room for outdoor activities, gardening, or even livestock. Located in a peaceful setting, yet still within reach of local amenities, this parcel offers the ideal balance of privacy and convenience. Don't miss out on this versatile property with so many uses. Schedule a viewing today to see the potential for yourself. For more